Got a little leak behind the wall here. Galvi Santee. Gonna have to open that up. Oh, look at that. The pipe, the vent is gone. Look at that. That's a first for me, man. There's no vent. It's just open to the inside. Hey, David. So it's not coming from this. The water's just coming out of the top. So we found out a little more info. That's the kitchen window. And that did not used to be there. Apparently it was a smaller window. And as you can see, the cleanouts right there. So the vent is actually perfectly vertical. The vent is right here. See it through the leaves? The vent is right there. But apparently they they made that window bigger, which when they did, they must have cut the vent. And it's been venting inside. Said it's been like that for 20 years, which is crazy. So we had two options. One was to run the vent outside, up the wall and above the roof, or use an air admittance valve, which is what this is. We have to open up the wall underneath the cabinet regardless, and they're gonna have to have someone come and patch it. So I told them this will probably be, not probably, this will be the cheapest option. You just have to give yourself an access panel because these do go bad after time. So we are going to install this underneath the sink. And then they will have a vent that's properly working. So the first thing I want to do, it's 1.5 inches. Well, wait a second. This is it right here. Dang, that's 1.5 inches, huh? Okay. Think about how much rain has been going into this over the years and getting behind the walls. It's crazy. So that's the vent for the laundry sink and the laundry drain, I believe. But so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a cap on that so more rain doesn't get in there, and then we're going to go under. Dude, I don't know how I didn't see this before. This is the kitchen drain right here that we're replacing. Well, I do know how I didn't see it. It's because it was covered with dirt. Look at that. It's just been draining into this little pit. And all this dirt, it was stacked up. I just, because I was going to cut right here. Wow. All right, well, we're just going to have to replace all of this. It is what it is. I mean, it's one thing after the other with this freaking house, man. If you remember from other videos, we replaced this about a week ago. And It just keeps going and going. So, yeah, okay, all right. See, this side I noticed and I pointed out to the owners, but I didn't realize that the other side was completely rotted out because all the dirt was right up against it. So what am I going to attempt to do? Because, man, I don't know if this is possible. I'm going to try to cut it right here. And then we'll be able to get a no-hub band on there. Otherwise, if that doesn't work, we got plenty of space right here. Look at all that. Then we'll just have to replace both of this whole section, which is fine. We can do that. I don't see any other issues currently, but we'll try right here first. And I'm on the limit right there, man. I think I can get a no-hub band on there, but I don't know. Might have to cut this all out. We'll see. Okay, so the issue we're running into is it's too big to fit a no-hub band over. We tried a 3-inch. So what I'm gonna do is cut it here, and then I think I'll be able to get a no-hub band over here. We got a lot more room too. And this is rotting out on the bottom anyway, so. Okay, so we got the no-hub band on that one. This is gonna be hard to line up. All right, we got plenty of slope all the way down, more than 1/4 of an inch. How to use two Street 45s to offset the lavatory at the top there. And then 2-inch Y, no hub band, another 2-inch Y, the 45. And then it's all supported with sand up until right here. But this is nice and sturdy. But that's it. So now we gotta go down this way and still replace that. Okay, now we're on the other side of the crawl space. We're cutting all this out. We're opening up a little bit of stucco. And we're basically, that's the kitchen drain right here. We're basically replacing the entire kitchen drain, and then we're adapting. This is the laundry drain, which is laundry sink drain, which is down there. And yeah, and that'll be it. And then we'll go inside and add the santee and air admittance valve.
Well, he said,
there you go.
You just push it in and then just cover it, even if it's sticking out a little bit. All right.
Brand new kitchen drain. And lastly, I already had a no-hub band on here, so I'm just gonna put that sucker in there. Put the no-hub band on this Street 45. I don't like to waste fittings. It'll be all right. And then it'll be easier for them to take this off if they want to clean out the trap. Well, it has a union, but whatever. It's fine. There you go. And then I'm giving this to them as well for the stucco guy, or drywall guy. gonna sit right like that. Right like that. So they have access. Actually, I might bust this out a little bit higher, just so they put the access panel higher. I just cut a 6-inch piece. You're supposed to be 6 inches above this. It's more like probably 9, but I just cut a 6-inch piece. But that's a brand new drain, bro, from start to finish. Let's test it. Oh yeah. Fill it, dump it. That's it.